Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add your website to your profile on the X app. Whether you're looking to promote your business or share your personal site, this guide will help you make it easily accessible to your audience. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app is launched, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access and edit your profile settings. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. This is the section where you can make changes to your profile details, including adding a website link. Scroll down and locate the Website section. Tap on it, and a text field will appear where you can enter your website's URL. Type in your website address carefully to ensure there are no errors. Once you've entered your website URL, tap Save in the top right corner of the screen. Your changes will be applied immediately, and your website will now be displayed on your profile for others to see. And that's it. You've successfully added a website to your X profile in just a few simple steps. This feature is a great way to connect with your audience and direct them to learn more about you or your work. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. See you next time.